Today I'll walk you through how to add links on snaps in Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your snaps with clickable links so you can share more engaging content with your friends and followers. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from your app store. Once you're in the app, take a photo or upload a picture or video that you want to share in your story. This is similar to capturing a moment in time, and now you're ready to add a little extra flair to it. Before you publish your story, you'll find yourself on the edit page. Here, look for the link icon. It usually resembles a chain link, and tapping on it will allow you to add your desired URL. Now, enter the URL or the link you want to include. This could be a link to your blog, a product page, or any other website you want your viewers to visit. After you've added the link, click on Attach to Snap. This step is crucial as it ensures the link is embedded in your snap, making it clickable for your audience. Finally, choose whether you want to post it as a story or send it directly to a friend or group. This decision will determine how your audience interacts with your content, so think about where you want your link to reach. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add links on snaps in Snapchat. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment, and don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the layout. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.